Well, we are getting an update from in the investigation and really the court case process through the Crumbleys, the Oxford parents there that with the accused high school shooter there, Ethan Crumbley. We're getting an update there from the prosecutor. Take a look at this. We're getting this information from the great people over at Fox 2 Detroit. They've been following this case very closely, as you can imagine, being right in their backyard here. But the big story here today is that the prosecutor is telling in court documents for James and Jennifer Crumbley, demanding that they stop blowing kisses and secret signals in court. We've seen it a couple of times here. This is from previous court sessions here, this one via Zoom. You saw the hand signal right there, and then as soon as that happened, you're going to see a deputy come up into the screen there as well to try to put an X to that, and yep, that's what right there happened. Now, this isn't the first time that that happened, and we'll show you another example here in just a minute here. But that's the directive that the Oakland County Prosecutor's Office wrote in a Wednesday court filing regarding the conduct of James and Jennifer Crumbley, parents of accused Oxford high school shooter Ethan Crumbley. The prosecution says the communications didn't just take out the court system, but were a serious distraction and traumatic for the family members of the victims involved in the shooting. The prosecution says Mr. and Mrs. Crumbley's conduct in court makes a mockery of the crimes they are accused of committing. The courtroom is not a place for blowing kisses and sending secret signals. This is a time for families to pursue justice, read a statement from the prosecutor's office. That Wednesday filing said that the Crumbleys couple's actions included one instance where James appears to mouth "I love you" to Jennifer during their first appearance in court there. And we're going to show you that video right here. So take a look at this. There's that moment where they said that happened. You could see him mouthing that off right there to his wife, and then she's trying to communicate as well and still trying to do a little talk back right there. Defendants continued to mouth additional words between each other while their attorneys were at the bench, and when defendant Jennifer Crumbley exited the courtroom at the end of the hearing, there was additional nonverbal communication between her and defendant James Crumbley, read the motion, which was filed by the assistant prosecuting attorney. Washington cited another instance that happened on January 7th during that bond reduction motion when both Crumbleys remained on screen while attorneys held a breakout session during that time. Both Crumbleys used signals with their hands while Jennifer mouthed "I loved you" and waved at James. Both parents face 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter after their son allegedly shot up a school, killing 4 students and injuring others. Ethan Crumbley faces terrorism and first-degree murder charges. They have all pleaded not guilty. Each defendant is being held on $500,000 bond as they await their next court appearance, which is scheduled in just about a week there. So next week they'll be having that. But we just wanted to bring that to your attention as this case is obviously has a lot of attention, and we wanted to bring that to you. And of course, we'll give you these updates as they're happening with this case as it goes through the court process there. But once again, thanks to our Fox 2 in Detroit for getting this story and really finding out about it.